Let's do a few limits from Calc 1 that are required for section 14.2. First one is limits of x cubed over quantity x squared plus x cubed. And let's see how do we do this. And this is as x approaches 0. First thing I want you to notice, this is form 0 over 0. So I need simplification. And simplification here comes from the factor that causing 0 is x itself. So let's factor out x in the bottom and see if I can factor it, simplify it with the factor on top. X to power 2 is the smallest power, and this is remaining. Now I can cancel out that and this, and what is remaining is going to be limit as x goes to 0 of x over 1 plus x. Now I can plug in, it won't be a form 0 over indeterminate form, so it's going to get to be 0. 0 over 1 is 0. One more. Limit of x squared over quantity 2x squared plus 3x squared. Here, these two actually can combine. Limit as x goes to 0, x squared, and combine 5x squared. Now I can cancel these two out. And what I'm ending up with is limit as x goes to 0 of 1 over 5. And that is 1 over 5. Last one, limit of x squared over quantity x to the 4th plus x squared. And that is equal to limit as x goes to 0. Again, it's the form 0 over 0. All of these form 0 over 0. And I know the factor that I want to get rid of is x squared. So I'm going to do x squared over x squared times x squared plus 1 quantity. Now, these two simplify. So the factor is gone, and I end up with limit of 1 over x squared plus 1 as x goes to 0. Plug in 0, and I get 1.